Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Boxycharm Boxyluxe box for the month of March. But before we get into the box, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell once you do subscribe. And also give this video a thumbs up. And now let me show you the box. When you open it up, it looks like this. And the card, so the theme for the month is La Vie en Rose, and it's just a postcard, and then on the back it has all the products listed. The first thing I pull out is the little bag. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cute. I mean, I have a ton of bags because I used to have Ipsy before. It has the logo right there, and the bag is worth, let's see, which one is it? Boxycharm train case. It's worth $20. So after I take the bag, I find these lily lashes right here. And they are the limited edition faux mink lashes. They look very nice. Those are worth $24.99. So in Boxycharm, one of Boxycharm's videos, they said that you can fit all your items this month in the train case. So I'm going to start putting them in there as I take items out of my box. Alright, so next I'm going to pull out this, which is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. And this is in the color burgundy. Not a bad color. It's very nice. What it looks like. All right, maybe this I'll try out. And yes, I just used my viewfinder as a mirror. Ooh. So it feels very creamy and very smooth. I like the color. It's not too dark, not too light. I think it suits me. And that lipstick is worth $24. Alright, so next in the box is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This I did try on, and I will insert the clip right here. So when I was trying it on, it felt a little bit cooling on my face. I left it more than the 15 minutes that it recommends because, you know, I went to give my daughters a bath and put them to bed. When I did peel it off, I don't know if it's because I left it too long, but it did hurt a little bit. Kind of like that lace mask that we got in October. So let me see what the card says. It says, containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extract, the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by skin-saving peel off mask. I read it wrong. So, and absorbed by cowling clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin shaving peel off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I don't know if I noticed any of that when I did it. It was just pretty. I have to, of course, with skincare, you have to try things out more than once to like actually see the true benefits and the effects of it. So I guess I have to do it a couple of times and see how it actually works. But that mask is worth $34. And this is the #1 item that I was super excited about. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. I did try it out after I did the mask. When I did apply it, it felt, you know, like you could see my face is very oily. So this, I guess it doesn't really work that well with oily skin. I think it says for all skin types, but it's much better for dry skin. But it does feel nice. I do prefer my Clinique gel moisturizer though, because that cream is kind of thick. So I guess if you have oily skin like I do, you have to like go lightly. Okay. And the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream is worth $48. So The next item in the box that I'm going to pull out is this little pink box right here, which is the Deborah Lippmann nail polishes, which I was happy about because I didn't really want cuticle oil. I've gotten cuticle oil before, so I guess that's probably why they didn't send it to me. But these are cute. They're really small. The colors are nice, very neutral, toned down colors. And I've started doing my own acrylic nails, so it'll be nice to have nail polishes that I can try out. And those are worth $20, which is kind of expensive for such tiny nail polishes. But anyway, the next item in the box, I'm gonna pull out this right here, which is the iconic London eyebrow cushion. So I wasn't really excited for this one because I don't really do my eyebrows. Like I always say, I have thick eyebrows, so I just kind of use brow gel and just set them. But it is an expensive product and the packaging was very pretty, so I don't know. We'll see if I keep it or... Alright, let's see. I've seen videos that it's really hard to open it. Alright, so this is how it works. You just open this right here and then take that cover off. I don't know if I'm probably not going to take off the cover. That is worth $40. Alright, so the next item that I'm going to take out is right down here. And this is the Moda brushes, which is Real Techniques. Oh, sorry. No, I think they're Royal and Lang Nickel. I have other Moda brushes from that. But anyway, I love brushes. Getting brushes in Boxycharm or any subscription is always a lot of fun. I love pink, so even better. This is small and fluffy. I think it would be nice for bronzer. I don't really contour, so for me, probably bronzer would be nice. And then this is the one that they say would be a highlighter brush. This is what it looks like. It's very long and fluffy. I'm not really sure what I could do with this. But I guess, yeah, for highlighting. But I feel like it's too bendy and fluffy. I don't know, but it's pretty. Those brushes are worth $29.99. So $15 for each brush. All right, and finally, well, no, there's two more items, but they're under this. So take that off. And then it's two palettes. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the Cover FX palette, Perfector Face palette. So I think this would be very nice. I don't really contour. I do think the highlighter ones are too light, and I do love that blush color. It's very pretty. But yeah, I mean, this one might be lighter, but I like a light highlighter color. Maybe I'll swatch it. Oh, it's not that bad. You can hardly see it. Okay, I won't swatch it on my hand, but this is the lighter one and the darker one. And there's a brightener, which you could probably use for this or your brow bone. There's the blush. And then there's also this finishing powder, which it looks very shimmery. And that palette is worth $45. And finally, the last item is this Morph palette, Morphe, I don't know how to say it. And I got the 15D. So those are the colors. Now that I see them, they look a lot nicer. When I first opened it, I just kind of glanced at it and I was like, so much orange, but these are nice colors. This orange one kind of caught my attention. I mean, it's kind of chalky. Let me see this. Oh, the orange one is called In the Crease. And I'm swatching now this pinkish one called Blend. It's actually like a copper tone. Now my hands are dirty. Anyway, that palette is worth $16, which I think is the cheapest item in this box. The total value of all the items in March's Boxyluxe, well, in the one that I got at least, is $301.98, which is not bad because Boxycharm, the regular box during the regular months, is $21 plus tax, and the Boxyluxe every 3 months there's an additional $28.99 plus tax charge, so in total it would be $49.99. so I think they charged me like $54. I added all my items inside here and everything fits, as you can see. Let's close it up. See? I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. If you have not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the red button that says subscribe under the video. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!